In today's video, we are going to show you how to upload a video on YouTube. In order to upload a video on YouTube, go into your web browser first. Search for YouTube on the search bar and click on the first link. You will end up in the YouTube website. Sign in if necessary and click on your account icon at the top right corner. Now click on Your Channel. This will take you into your channel page. Here you will see a button which says Upload Video. Click on this button and you will be taken to the upload page. You can directly drag and drop your videos on this page, or you can also upload your videos by clicking on the select button. Choose your video and click on Open. Now you can edit the name of your video, its description and thumbnail, and other additional settings. When the upload process is completed, you will see Finished Processing. When everything is good to go, click on the Next button. You may choose to add various features within your video, such as cards and end screens, which can be all set from here. Click on Next after you're done. Now from here, you may choose to just upload or publish immediately. You may also set up a premiere. After reading the message displayed below, click on the Publish button. You will see a message saying that the video is published. So that's how we can upload videos on YouTube. That's all for today's video. If you like this content, do give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to the channel so that you can receive useful videos like this directly in your YouTube home screen. Thank you for watching.